Hi, my name is Ayanda from South Africa. Today I'll be teaching you days of the week in isiZulu. Umsombuluko. 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 Umsombuluko means Monday. LWESIBILI. 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 LWESIBILI means Tuesday. LWESITHATHU. LWESITHATHU. Thathu. LWESITHATHU. T. LWESITHATHU means Wednesday. LWESINE. 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 LWESINE means Thursday. LWESIHLANU. 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 LWESIHLANU means Friday. UMGQIBELO. 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 UMGQIBELO means Saturday. ISONTO. 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 Nti. ISONTO. ISONTO means Sunday. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.